First chapter, employee empowerment, is divided into three topics. I told you quality circle will not exceed more than 10. Everyone working in the organization must get a chance to say what is in his mind. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Vidhyaashram from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to all the students for the third session, and here in this session I'm going to explain you about quality circle. What exactly quality circle is all about. Now these are the small group where homogeneous people will form a circle where totally there are minimum 6 and maximum 10 people will be closely associated voluntarily, and they will start working and they'll take the projects and they'll accomplish it in very short time. And they are the people who are highly talented and they go with a homogeneous mindset and they work for the betterment of the organization. This small group is called the quality circle. So here conceptually quality circle can be described as a small group of employees of same work. So that means, say, marketing in the sense they all will be in marketing, HR in the sense they'll be in HR, finance in the sense they'll be in finance. So homogeneous people will be there. Voluntarily association will happen and they are the one who will solve the problem very fast, and they are the circle, a small circle which only goes with optimum utilization of resources, and they are the one who are appreciated by the organization because of the way they are dedicated to their work. Now here, doing a similar work, that means voluntarily and regularly to identify, analyze and resolve work related problems. So they are the people who are always into the mission, and they are the one who will accomplish each and every goal very fast because they are having a team which always goes for the goal oriented processes. So let's go with the next one, that is the features of quality circle. Here please understand, the first chapter, employee empowerment, is divided into three topics. The first topic is employee empowerment, the second topic is quality circle. This is what the second topic is, and the third topic I'll discuss in the next session, where you will understand what exactly the third topic is all about. Now when we go with quality circle, the question for quality circle is for 15 marks, where they're going to ask you what is quality circle, explain the features of quality circle, or they can actually ask you what are the problems faced in quality circles as well. So in this session I'm going to teach you the entire topic of quality circle. So the first feature here is people building philosophy. See here, quality circle is a voluntarily associations where people will actually come in the mindset that all the other people are only for the organizational benefits. So that is where the people building philosophy starts. Voluntary group, participative program. So they are the one who will actually participate in each and every programs given or assigned by the organization, because they are the group which the organization always feel that they can solve each and every problem very fast with efficient working culture. Next is supportive management. Now management will definitely support this quality circle. The reason here is they are the one who actually work properly and efficiently to improve the performance, enrichment of work life. See, this is a very beautiful feature of quality circle, that is they always want to enrich the work life, and the last is to identify and resolve work related problem. Now this circle will be acting like a musketeer. They're always very happy to participate in all the problems or all the issues which happens in the organization, and they are the one who wants to solve it, and they want to give their best in whatever they actually take. The first one is the feature which I told you about, as the building philosophy. Now quality circle is a homogeneous. When I say homogeneous, it is like similar people will come from a particular area, which they have the same kind of a background, same kind of experience and specialization. Now it consists of small group, because I told you quality circle will not exceed more than 10. So usually it will be 6 to 10. There are many organizations where they go with 6 to 8 is what they actually go with, because to control quality circle, it is very difficult. What usually happens here is, in a quality circle, there will be a leader, and that leader will be elected by the members itself. And the management always refer to that leader whenever they call for any of the issues. And what happens here is, the leader is a person who has been voted by the members, and members will take decisions according to the leader. But leader is a person here in this quality circle who will always be like a democratic leader, but not autocratic leader. He takes suggestions from each and every person, and that is how the quality circle will get that enrichment from the employer as well as other employees. Now, it consists of a small group of persons who normally work at the same place and perform similar work. That's why it is homogeneous. Voluntary group. Now, there will be no coercion. There will be like voluntarily they'll come and they'll actually form a circle. That is why it is called voluntary. Nobody actually forces anybody to be a part of a circle. Participative programs. Now, quality circle represent collective efforts. That means everyone working in the organization must get a chance to say what is in his mind. That is, each and every person's decisions, each and every person's suggestions are actually taken into consideration by the quality circle team. That is where participation will actually happen in more level than only one person taking the actions. Now, everyone should have interest and value the project chosen for the quality circle. That means here, the team of 6 or the team of 8, whoever the team is made up of. Now, what usually happens here is, each and every person should have that valuable interest to do the project. That means everyone should give their 100% to solve any kind of a problems or to accomplish that project in a efficient way. So that is what a quality circle main aims at. Next is supportive management. Now, quality circle needs the encouragement to grow and mature. That means the management must appreciate the quality circle. They need to always give more powers or to take decisions or give more authority and responsibility to quality circles, and they have a commitment, and that is what they are supposed to fulfill each and every time. When quality circle is doing better for the organization, there should be a commitment from the management to the quality circle people to improve the performance. That is, collective and participative efforts must result in the improvement of quality, that is productivity and performance. That means cost and wastage. See, understand here, cost and wastage, they have a huge impact in the organization, that is must be reduced. As a result, the quality circles, that is quality circle should always think about how to cut the cost and how to actually avoid wastage, because that is a key factor which plays an important role in the quality circle. The whole organization must gain both quantitatively as well as qualitatively. So quality circle should always think about two aspects, that is, one is qualitative benefits as well as quantitative benefits to the organization, because now organization is taking care of them. They are supposed to take care of the situations and things which happens in and around the organization. The next one we have is enrichment of work life. So I told you about enrichment of work life. That is, it's a very beautiful feature of quality circle. So it is not just the performance, it is not just the work, it's not just the experience what the quality circle shares with each and every person. Quality circle should also make the environment feel good. That means the employee should feel happy. The employee should always have the job satisfaction. The employee should never have a fear of labor turnover or any dismissal or firing of an employee. So quality circle should enhance in a way that each and every employee should feel that the workplace is like a livelihood. So that is where the quality circles plays a very important role. To identify and resolve work related problems. That means members of quality circle identify their problems through brainstorming sessions. See, whenever the problem is in the organization, the management always prefer the quality circle to see the problem, to analyze the problem, and to give us solutions. So here what happens is all the members of quality circle, they'll analyze the problem and they start discussing how to face the problem or how to face that situation. So brainstorming ideas will come when each and every employee in the quality circle, they go with their own suggestions to those problems. So brainstorming things will happen. Then they start analyzing the problem through statistical quality control technique. Now you have something called total quality management. Those statistical tools they'll actually use, and they'll analyze what the problem is and how we can reduce it. That means here they'll always identify and they always want to resolve any kind of a problem in a very shorter time. The next topic is developing quality circles in organization. Why anybody should develop quality circles in an organization? Why it is very, very important. Please do understand here. Persuasion by all the parties concerned that there is more than one way to solve a problem successfully. That means any problem, for that what usually happens is we feel that there is only one way. But let me tell you, quality circle are the people who always feel that for a problem there are n number of solutions, but the best course of solution, we are supposed to solve the problem. So encouragement of all the members to clarify and build on each other ideas is what the quality circle does. Periodic summarizing. Now every year, say annually, quarterly, half yearly, they always summarize of the activity by the leader or by the member to ensure common understanding. So they always go for the problem solving, and they always want each and every employee to understand how periodically they are summarizing each and every aspects. Avoidance of such techniques has majority vote and division to obtain group arrangements and agreements. Now here what happens is the quality circle, they always go with the majority vote. That's say example, you have 6 people in a quality circle. So the majority vote would be what? 4 people. That is more than 4, whoever votes, they'll actually take that decisions. Promotion of constructive disagreements in place of dodging agreements in search of artificial state of harmony. So that is what they go with. Suspicion of agreements that comes to quickly and easily. The last one is circle leader, who is also supervisor, must constantly beware of other influence and supervisory positions. So he should not just think about the quality circle, he should also think about the major other aspects of being a supervisor. Problems of quality circle programs. Now here you need to understand, whenever we have quality circle programs, there will be a problem. There is no place where there is no problem. I'll tell you, say example, let's forget about what I have given here. Let's just talk and interact more. You can actually comment in the comment box what are the problems when there are at least 6 of the people are there in a group or in a gang or a friend circle is there. So what usually happens is there will be one person who will always feel that he knows everything. So even in quality circle, the same thing happens, and they are the people who will actually bulldozer everybody. So what here happens is they control or they take all the kind of things. That may be one of the problems. Second problem is ego clashes between each and every friends. That is the second one. Third one is some people will never be taken into consideration. Whatever they say, nobody takes them in a serious note. So that is the fourth problem. The fifth problem is the way they're analyzing or the way the leader is analyzing, probably other people will not accept the way he is actually going with. So there is something called a conflict between each other, that is in a group within. So the same way, even in quality circles, we do have problems, and the problems are listed here. The first one here is, has a circle membership is voluntary. A member can drop out when he or she wishes. Now what happens here is volatility in the membership of the circle. Anybody can actually quit, anybody can actually come. So there is no proper regular checkup. The selection of a problem to be tackled first may generate more heat among the circle membership. So that is where they have more stress upon it, and then what really happens is a strong-willed member may bulldoze his or her ideas, straining the relationship. So one person will feel that I know how to solve this, and he can actually bulldoze other people's ideas. So that is what will happen. The next one is the quality circle takes up a problem which is difficult to solve, thus wasting their time and energy. Now, the quality circle is made to solve problems. Now what happens is, all the problems are not the problems of the quality circle. There are few problems which the other employee should also take, and they should give the suggestions. But what here happens is, solving each and every problem, the quality circle feels that they are the one who should take all the problems, and they will not give any chance to any other group. That is where the problem is. Next one is the departmental managers often prove less supportive as the members of quality circle come to limelight often. So here what happens, due to personal jealousy, professional jealousy, now people who are in the quality circle, they are solving the problem. Now the other people who are not in the quality circle, they have that insecurity, that is the job insecurity, saying that each and every problem are taken by the quality circle. Then what will happen to the departmental manager? That will be a question mark. Now the departmental manager will not support the quality circle. Fixing up meeting time becomes difficult due to the factor of their timeliness. Now here what happens is, whenever they want to solve anything, they always go with a proper code of conduct of conducting a meeting. But due to insufficient of time or due to time clash of an employee with another employee, the meeting will not happen on the discussed meeting time. Next is the circle may form an impression that the management is not implementing its suggestions wholeheartedly. So here they always feel that whatever they take decision, that would be correct, and they feel that the management should take their consideration first. But usually the management, what they do is, each and every advice given by the quality circle will not be taken into consideration by the top level management. Now that is a problem. There is a problem where the quality circle people feel that the management is not taking our decision wholeheartedly. So there will be a clash between the top level and the quality circle. And the last one here is, the quality circle may feel after some time that it has a run out of problem, which is effect imply, that is not brainstorming according to the rules. Now they have seen each and everything. Now they feel that whatever the problem they are getting, they feel that they are not the real problem. Anybody else can do it. That is where they have a feeling that they know everything, and whatever they get, they'll solve it very fast. So that is where the ego of quality circle will be more. So these are the problems of quality circle. Any problems or difficulties you find in quality circle, please do call us. We are always there to help you. Thank you so much. I'll see you when I see you.